What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series. That's where we pick fun Rustoleum colors and we try to replicate more expensive high-end paint jobs for a fraction of the cost using Rustoleum. And these are just ways to show you guys different color combinations so you'll know how to achieve certain effects that you could use any kind of paint. You could use Rustoleum, Krylon, just any kind of cheap paint, Sherwin-Williams, and you just combine these pearls with the similar colors and you'll get similar effects. So today I've got a fender prepped up ready to go. I'm going to be hitting it with two different colors, flat black Rustoleum and gloss grape, guys. So what kind of pearl flake candy could I be putting together with gloss grape and flat black? Well, I've got a new one from Eye Candy Pigments called Shinto Shrine, guys. It's kind of a pink to purple in the powder form, but in the mix, who knows what it'll do. So what we're going to do is two-tone this fender first with gloss grape and flat black, and then we'll get into shooting some Shinto Shrine Eye Candy Pigments pearls. This is going to get interesting. Let's get into it. Alright guys, now that we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down, it's time to have some fun with some Shinto Shrine Eye Candy Pearl. Today I'll be using the Speedo Coat Clear. We kind of debuted this on the last episode, and I like it. I do wish I had the slow activator instead of the medium, because on humid and hot conditions it can get a little dicey and give you a little bit of orange peel, but we'll get through it today. We're going to have some fun with it, and as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention this is 4-to-1 clear, or I probably did mention it, but I did 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator, and that's 5 ounces total into the mix because we're just doing a fender today. And now Shinto Shrine, like I said, very interesting, like pink to purple flop, so it's going to be pretty cool. This is a 1 gram sample bag, so I had great success with Akiba. Akibi? I can't remember last time around. But yeah, so we're going to do the whole gram today, and let's get to mixing. And right away, another galaxy looking pearl. I mean, this has some oranges and coppers at certain angles, but it is predominantly pinks and purples. I think this is going to be a very interesting one today, but as always, guys, there's only one way you really ever find out with these pearls, and let's put them in the paint gun, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got the Shinto Shrine loaded up in the HVLP gun today. It's always on my Amazon store if y'all need a cheap paint gun. It's a pretty good little quality gun. It comes with another gun and comes with a regulator and everything else, but it's a 1.4 tip. I shoot a 28 psi wide open trigger. I'm just going to do consistent coats on this till we get a full effect. Typically it takes about 2 or 3 coats, but you just never know, and we'll take it out in the sun and we'll see what we got. I'm going to put the mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Shinto Shrine over gloss purple and flat black. Now over the flat black, you got a very midnight blue effect. Kind of like the last one a lot of bit, guys. I don't know. It's very interesting. I do think this has a little more of a dominant purple, but still a very interesting pearl nonetheless. And over that grape color, well, you definitely got like that grape soda with the blue effect. Just a really cool all-around combination. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. A Shinto Shrine Eye Candy Pigments Color Shift Pearl over gloss grape and flat black. Over the gloss grape, we got a very cool ice blue to gold effect. Over the flat black, we got more of a midnight blue with a purple dominance. So very different effects depending on what color you choose. But hey, that's a color shift pearl for you. If you want to spray with Shinto Shrine from Eye Candy Pigments, I can get you guys a discount. I'm an affiliate with Eye Candy. Just enter WAW shop while shop at checkout after you click my links, and you'll get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. The clear coat today, I should have switched over to a slow activator. I didn't have one, guys, so I just went ahead with the medium, but it was 90% humidity today, guys, and about 75 degrees, so not good for medium activators. You want to switch over to a slow at that point. That way, the clear has a better chance of flowing out, and you don't get so much orange peel. So keep that in mind, but don't let that hurt the rating today. Today was all about having fun, showcasing the color combination, and if you want to spray with the clear coat, the paint gun, the mask, all that stuff, it's in my Amazon store. As seen on YouTube, you just click that link. It takes you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything there for the same price I get it, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, like I said, and you get the benefits of Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. If you made it this far in the video, you like what I'm doing, you continue to come back to check out what's going on with Whitley Auto Works, and you haven't already, please take a second, hit subscribe, ring that bell notification. That helps me out tremendously, and leave me a quick like and comment. That helps me out with the algorithm. I appreciate you guys for watching today. I hope you have fun. Come back on the next episode. We got the shop truck returning. We got a little bit of everything going on, guys, so you just never know what you're going to see on the next episode of Whitley Auto Works. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.